Hello, Blue. Hello. Want to say hello to Dad? Say, hello. Hello. Say hello. Come on. Say hello, Blue. Because you can. You're a clever girl. Aren't you? Eh? You're a clever girl. Huh? You're going to say hello. Look, there's your Griffin asleep. Now he's waking up. He's having a scratchy. Do you want a scratchy? Scratchy? Shut the beak. Shut the beak. Shut the beak. Shut that bloody beak. Hey, little bitch. Oh, there. That's lovely. Yeah, not lovely. Getting a lovely scratchy Griffin Blue. Yeah. Lovely scratchy. You got your punk rock haircut on the day. See it's all sticking up. Yeah. That lovely. Oh, Dave, shut up, man. God, you're a pain. Bloody stupid dog barks at the bloody telly all the time. Sit down, you swine. Tell me to shut up, Griffin. Right. Where's Blue? Where's my Blue? No kiss. Wait. No kissy. There, can I have a kiss? A kiss. Kiss that beak. Kiss that beak. Give us that bloody beak. Give us it. I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna pull that beak off, mate. Oh, is that lovely? Yeah, is that lovely Blue? Yeah, is that lovely getting scratchy like that? Eh? Yeah, that lovely. Is that nice, Blue? Yeah, is that lovely? You going to sleep? Hmm? What a good girl you are, Blue. Aren't you? Yeah. Say bye-bye to the people. Say bye-bye. You going to say out, Griffy? Scratchy, scratch. You'll have to come here. Say bye. Scratch, right. Okay.